Hey guys, today we will use Claude to automate Google Ads campaign data through make.com, and we will be sending reports on daily basis on Gmail or Slack. So I will create this automation step by step. But if you have any question, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail ID, or you can leave a comment too. So we will create a scenario and we'll add the trigger of Google Ads report section. So I will just write here the name of the app, that is Google Ad. So you can see Google Ad reports, and we will run a campaign report. It will ask some more details as well, like the account ID, and we can put the campaign ID as well. But for now I will be fetching the data of all the campaigns. You can select one specific campaign. I don't know how much load you have. So yeah, it is asking for the start date should be 1 day previous from the current time and date. So we will be using the built-in functions of make.com. Here you can find add days, and you can write here like the now function, now variable, that is current date and time. And here we will add -1, that is 1 day, like we are subtracting 1 day. If you hover the mouse here, you will be able to see the pattern, like it is the current time, and we can add the days here in the future and in the past as well. And for the end date, we will be using the now function. So I want the data from yesterday till the current day or current time, and we can set a limit whatever we need, whatever we have a load of data. Let's say we have hundreds of like bundles coming in, we can change the limit. I don't know how much campaigns are you running, but we can customize this according to the load of work. That is very easy. So I will save this and try running this, and let's see if we have some data here. We have 4 bundles from like in last 1 days. So we can see the dimensions, the metrics. In dimension we can see the campaign name, campaign ID, and the other details. So we have all the stuff now, but these are bundles. We cannot give like all the 4 bundles in Claude. So let's say we are using Claude here. We can use the Anthropic Claude simple text prompt, and here we can use a model of Sonnet. For now we can use the other models, but yeah, this is free. So let's say we click this, like how many clicks we are getting, how many video views, cost metrics, etc. So if we run this again, this will run multiple times because we have 4 bundles. It will run 4 times. That's not what we want. We need a report, like an analyzed summary. So what we will do, we will use text aggregator here. We can add an app here, text aggregators in the tools, text. Oh, here it is. So we'll drag it. I will align this, and here we will okay, we have the source module, and the text is this. So I will get the help of Claude to put the text here, and I already did the research part. So yeah, we need to put this text and replace the campaign name, date, clicks, and whatever we need. So I will paste this here. I will replace the campaign name. So this is mapped, the date, it is here, impressions. Where are the impressions? So help me guys. Yeah, we need to double check phone impressions. Here it is. And we need to find clicks now. Here are the clicks. The cost is here, the conversions are here, the conversion value is here, phone calls here, and search impression share is here, search top impression share is here, and the last one is video views. So we will use this one, save it, and now we need to test it, and we can remove this, and we need this like from the text aggregator. So I will save this and run this to check how the results are coming. Now we should have 1 output. So yeah, output is 1, 4 input bundles, and this should be processed 1 time in the cloud, and we will have the summary. But still we didn't give the prompt to Cloud till now, so we should have a prompt. We can see the results. It automatically generated the performance report. Wow, I didn't command that. So yeah, but yeah, I already made the like command with the help of Claude. So like you are a Google Ads performance analyst. Here's the campaign data for each campaign, provide CTR, cost per click, and all the stuff you want in the report. But yeah, we have the report coming up here. Let's see. I like this one as well because we have metrics and impressions and everything is organized. So I will simply add a module here like send Gmail, or we can use any one other module like Slack as well, and simply we can map the output data like from here to send the Gmail, and we will be receiving the reports daily because we will be changing this clock to daily. Like on daily, I need this to run at 7 European time. We can change the time zone from the setting, but yeah, we can activate this scenario, and this will be working. boom. And if you have any question, if you want a customized automation or any help, just ping me on my WhatsApp number, on my Gmail, or on my comment section, and subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you so much for watching.